My name's Melissa Pegg. I'm a senior research consultant in environmental sustainability and health technology assessment. I work for York Health Economics Consortium, which is a subsidiary organisation part of the University of York. I chose the Masters in Health Economics and Health Technology Assessment at the University of Glasgow because for a long time now I felt very passionate about the NHS and sustainability. So you might wonder how those link together with the course. But I've been working in the healthcare industry for 18 years, and in 2019 I completed my first Masters in Sustainability and Environmental Management. Towards the end of my career in industry, I was working with innovative and technologically disruptive advanced technology that was shown to support sustainable development within the NHS patient care pathway. I started to research where the gaps were in terms of sustainable development in healthcare decision making. At the time, I didn't know exactly what HEHTA was, and although I was aware of NICE and its role in providing rigorous, independent assessment of complex evidence for health technologies, which led to recommendations and guidance for health and care practitioners, I wasn't really aware of the real power of HEHTA until I started the course. The Masters also supports a wide range of career opportunities, which was really appetizing for me, where I was able to look at careers working with NHS organisations, HTA agencies, universities, government and regulatory bodies. And of course, the reputation and quality of the course delivery at the university was really important to me. As a World Top 100 university and a member of the prestigious Russell Group for leading UK research universities, the University of Glasgow stood out from the universities. And I was attracted to the fact that the programme was delivered by the Health Economics and HEHTA research team, who are world-class experts in their field. My studies in the Health Economics and HEHTA Masters at the University of Glasgow has improved my career immensely. In fact, I've changed my career entirely. I'm now working in a job that I believe no one else is doing worldwide at the moment. I lead a research team at York Health Economics Consortium in environmental sustainability and health technology assessment. I feel that I really add a lot of value within the company in terms of developing sustainability in the NHS and supporting NHS colleagues to really help to achieve net zero goals. So I have the opportunity to work really closely with industry, with various research departments across the globe. I really thrive on working for the University of York. I absolutely love working with the NHS and most importantly with my colleagues across the teams within York Health Economics Consortium, where we really help to drive sustainable development in healthcare. This field is important to the delivery of net zero in the NHS, whilst concurrently enabling high quality healthcare to be delivered. I'm also leading a new working group in environmental sustainability and health technology assessment within Health Technology Assessment International. This is a very important piece of work that I'm working on that simply wouldn't have come around if I hadn't done the Masters with the University of Glasgow. And with this very important piece of work, I hope to support the development of a framework of sustainable health technology provision within global national health systems. Some key learning points from my time with the University of Glasgow include gaining a hands-on experience of the interconnected disciplines that are core to the Health Economics and Health Technology Assessment Masters, as well as very valuable insights into policy and principles of HEHTA, health economics, decision analytical modelling, health technology assessment in a global context, which was absolutely fascinating, and data science, which I felt very passionate about. In addition, my third year project has opened many doors for me in terms of connections and friendships, new friendships within HEHTA, for example, and within the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, and across health technology assessment organisations globally. I also learned that when you are passionate about your subject and you are well supported, as I was at the University of Glasgow, you can achieve anything you put your mind to. I've got many favourite things about the course, but something that really stands out for me is how connected and supported I felt throughout the Masters in Health Economics and Health Technology Assessment. My tutors and the guest speakers were always on hand to provide support, and I had made some amazing friendships with my peers as well on the course. We still keep in touch now and continue to support each other, which is really wonderful. In fact, I'm currently working on a couple of papers and projects with some of the master's tutors within HEHTA and out with HEHTA as well. And therefore, I feel like I'm still part of the University of Glasgow. And this is a really nice feeling. I also really enjoyed that we're able to choose our topic for the master's project, the third year project, the dissertation. This was very valuable to me because I combined my knowledge of my first master's and studies and developed a new research topic that was innovative, forward-thinking and exciting, and hopefully would help policy development in this space. I was delighted to be awarded the prize for my project for the Masters, and I'm aiming to have this research published soon that I hope will really help to drive net zero in the NHS. I could not have done the course if it was not fully online, so I had my second baby during the second year of the Masters. And because the course was all online, I was able to access all of the tutorials in the comfort of my own home. This was particularly helpful when I was on maternity leave and also when I started back at work with my new career and a young family. The tutors and staff at the university were always really supportive and on hand to help with any queries. Similarly, the online platform that we used for the course was really useful to discuss ideas with my peers and to be able to work really effectively together as a group on coursework. So speaking to people who have previously undergone the course to understand how you feel you might benefit from the HTA Masters is really useful. I would also encourage you to undertake the taster course to gain insight into the delivery of the Masters in Health Economics and HTA. I would highly recommend the Health Economics and HTA Masters. Everyone supporting the course at the University of Glasgow is very friendly, approachable and keen to ensure you succeed. It was a lot of fun and amongst very hard work that was incredibly rewarding. And of course, I must mention how special it was to graduate at the University of Glasgow Gilmore campus, where the cloisters are undeniably one of the most beautiful examples of historic architectural beauty amongst worldwide university buildings. I hope I get the opportunity to visit again in the future, perhaps to graduate again.